Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your driving experience and make every trip smoother, safer, and more enjoyable? Today, we've got 20 must-have car gadgets that are absolute game changers. Whether you're tackling icy roads, keeping your ride spotless, or staying prepared for emergencies, these gadgets have you covered. Grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. DeWalt 25 Max Cordless Vacuum. Crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and debris are no match for this powerful cordless vacuum. The DeWalt 20V Max is designed to make cleaning your car effortless and effective. Its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, while the powerful suction ensures every corner of your car is spotless. From under seats to tight spaces between cushions, this vacuum reaches all those hard-to-access areas with ease. The reusable filter and easy-to-empty dustbin add convenience and eco-friendliness to your cleaning routine. Whether you're dealing with daily messes or deep cleaning, this cordless vacuum is an essential tool for maintaining a tidy, fresh interior. OMT Small Cargo Net. Say goodbye to clutter and disorganization in your car's trunk with this durable and flexible cargo net. The OMT Small Cargo Net is designed to keep your groceries, tools, sports gear, and other essentials secure during travel. Made from tough, elastic material, it stretches to accommodate loads of varying shapes and sizes while holding everything firmly in place. The easy-to-install design ensures that anyone can set it up in seconds. Ideal for road trips, errands, or everyday commutes, this net helps prevent spills, keeps items from rolling around, and makes your trunk look neat and organized. Once you experience the convenience of this simple solution, you won't want to be without it. SnowJoe hd&sd Snow Broom. Clearing snow off your car can be a hassle, but the SnowJoe Snow Broom makes it a breeze. Featuring a lightweight yet sturdy foam head, this tool quickly and efficiently removes heavy snow without scratching or damaging your vehicle's paint. Its telescoping handle extends to reach every part of your car, from the windshield and roof to hard-to-reach corners, making it perfect for vehicles of all sizes. The broom's compact design makes it easy to store in your trunk or garage, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Built to withstand tough winter conditions, this snow broom is an essential tool for anyone who wants to start their day without delays, no matter how much snow has fallen. Brake caliper hooks. If you're serious about DIY car maintenance, brake caliper hooks are an essential tool to have in your garage. These durable, heavy-duty hooks are designed to hold your brake calipers securely out of the way during repairs, preventing unnecessary strain or damage to the brake lines. Whether you're changing brake pads, rotors, or performing other maintenance tasks, these hooks streamline your workflow and make the process safer and more efficient. Their lightweight design makes them easy to store, and their affordability ensures that anyone, from professional mechanics to car enthusiasts, can benefit from their functionality. Add these hooks to your toolkit and experience the convenience and peace of mind they bring to your car repair projects. Circuit Breaker Tester. When it comes to troubleshooting your car's electrical system, having the right tools is crucial, and this circuit breaker tester is a must-have. Compact, portable, and incredibly easy to use, this device allows you to quickly and accurately diagnose electrical issues, saving you time and frustration. From identifying faulty circuits to pinpointing problems with your lights or wiring, this tester provides reliable results that take the guesswork out of car repairs. Designed for both beginners and professionals, it's an invaluable addition to any toolbox. Whether you're tackling routine maintenance or a more complex repair, this tester ensures you can approach the task with confidence and precision. Rubber wheel chocks. Safety is paramount when working on your car or parking on uneven surfaces, and these heavy-duty rubber wheel chocks are the perfect solution. Designed to provide maximum stability, these chocks prevent your vehicle from rolling, ensuring it stays securely in place during maintenance or when parked on an incline. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, they're built to withstand heavy loads and last for years. Their compact, lightweight design makes them easy to position and store, while the textured surface enhances grip for added security. Whether you're changing a tire, parking an RV, or working under your car, these wheel chocks are an essential safety accessory that every driver should have. Snow socks for tires. Say goodbye to slipping and sliding during winter. Snow socks for tires provide exceptional traction on icy or snowy roads. These innovative socks are lightweight, super easy to install, and perfect for when the roads get treacherous. Simply stretch them over your tires, and you're good to go. They fold up compactly so they're easy to store in your trunk, ready whenever you need them. Winter travelers, this one's for you. Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Don't let cloudy headlights dim your vision. Over time, exposure to sunlight and grime can make your headlights look dull and hazy. This restoration kit is your ultimate solution. With a few simple steps, it restores your headlights to a crystal clear shine, improving visibility and enhancing your car's overall appearance. Plus, it's a cost-effective alternative to buying new headlights. Safer night driving and a polished look? Sign us up. Avapow Jump Starter. Dead battery? No worries. The Avapow Jump Starter is compact yet incredibly powerful, capable of reviving your car in seconds. This portable device works with a wide range of vehicles and can jumpstart your car multiple times on a single charge. It even doubles as a power bank, keeping your devices charged on the go. With its built-in flashlight and safety features, it's a must-have for road trips or emergencies. Curt Rocker Ball Hitch. Tow like a pro with the Curt Rocker Ball. This innovative hitch is designed to reduce vibrations and jerking movements, making towing smoother and less stressful on your vehicle. Whether you're hauling a trailer, a boat, or heavy equipment, this hitch provides a stable, quiet ride. It's durable, easy to install, and an absolute game-changer for seamless travel. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to stability. Baby car mirror. Peace of mind for parents on the go. This baby car mirror lets you keep an eye on your little one without compromising your focus on the road. It's designed for easy installation, attaches securely to the back seat, and gives you a wide, clear view of your child. Perfect for long drives or quick errands, it ensures safety and comfort for both you and your baby. A small investment for priceless peace of mind. Febreze Unstoppables Car Air Freshener. Who doesn't love a fresh-smelling car? Febreze Unstoppables are designed to eliminate odors and leave your car smelling amazing for weeks. Whether you're tackling pet smells, smoke, or just everyday stuffiness, these air fresheners deliver a powerful and long-lasting fragrance. Compact and stylish, they clip onto your air vents and blend seamlessly into your car's interior. Freshen up your ride effortlessly. Armor All Car Wipes. For a quick and easy car cleanup, these wipes are a lifesaver. From tackling dust and dirt on your dashboard to keeping your seats spotless, Armor All Car Wipes do it all. They're specially formulated to clean, protect, and add shine, making your car look like new in minutes. Portable and effective, they're perfect for anyone who loves a clean car but hates the hassle of a full wash. FM Transmitter. Transform your driving experience with this versatile and easy-to-use FM transmitter. Say goodbye to outdated car audio systems and hello to modern convenience, as this device lets you stream your favorite music, take crystal-clear hands-free calls, and charge your phone wirelessly, all from the driver's seat. Connecting seamlessly to your smartphone via Bluetooth, it broadcasts high-quality sound to your car's speakers, ensuring an enjoyable and immersive listening experience. Its compact design blends effortlessly with your car's interior, while the user-friendly interface makes operation a breeze. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, this FM transmitter enhances every aspect of your journey, offering style, functionality, and convenience in one sleek package. Seat cushion. Long drives just got a lot more comfortable. This ergonomic seat cushion is specially designed to provide superior back support and reduce fatigue, even on the longest road trips. Made with high-quality memory foam, it contours perfectly to your body, promoting better posture and preventing aches and pains caused by extended sitting. The breathable, washable cover ensures long-lasting freshness, while the non-slip base keeps it securely in place. Whether you're a commuter, a road tripper, or someone who spends hours behind the wheel, this cushion transforms your driving experience, letting you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and relaxed. Treat yourself to unmatched comfort on the go. Screen protector for touchscreens. Protect your infotainment screen and keep it looking brand new with a high-quality screen protector. This precision-designed accessory safeguards your screen from scratches, smudges, and fingerprints while maintaining crystal-clear visibility and responsive touch functionality. The ultra-thin, durable material blends seamlessly with your display, ensuring you don't lose any functionality or style. Installation is quick, bubble-free, and hassle-free, making it easy to keep your car's interior looking pristine. Whether you're upgrading your car or preserving its value, this screen protector is a small investment that delivers big protection. Enjoy a flawless, clean display every time you hit the road. Console organizer. A clutter-free car is a happier, more efficient car. This sleek and functional console organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your essentials tidy and within reach. Designed to fit snugly into your car's console, it provides dedicated compartments for your phone, wallet, sunglasses, keys, and other small items. With this organizer, you'll never have to search for misplaced items or deal with a messy console again. Its durable construction and stylish design ensure it looks great while standing up to daily use. Stay organized, reduce distractions, and enjoy a stress-free driving experience with this simple yet incredibly effective accessory. Ice scraper. Don't let frost and ice slow you down this winter. This heavy-duty ice scraper is built to clear your windshield and windows in seconds, making it an essential tool for cold weather driving. Its durable blade effortlessly cuts through thick ice without scratching or damaging your glass, while the ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip for quick and efficient use. Compact and easy to store, it's the perfect addition to your car's winter kit. Whether you're rushing to work on a frosty morning or preparing for a snowy road trip, this ice scraper ensures you're ready to go without delays. Stay safe and prepared all winter long. Tiger Lander X. The Tiger Lander X is the ultimate solution for drivers who demand durability, performance, and style. Whether you're venturing off-road or just need a reliable accessory for everyday use, this product has you covered. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand harsh conditions, offering superior protection for your vehicle. The advanced design ensures maximum performance, providing enhanced stability and a smooth driving experience even in the most challenging terrains. Easy to install and maintain, the Tiger Lander X is perfect for outdoor adventurers, off-road enthusiasts, and anyone looking to improve their vehicle's capabilities. With Tiger Lander X, your journey becomes safer, smoother, and more enjoyable, no matter the road ahead. Snow chains. Winter driving can be challenging, but with snow chains, you can conquer icy, snow-covered roads with ease. These snow chains are designed to give you exceptional traction when road conditions turn treacherous, ensuring your vehicle stays securely on track even in the most extreme winter weather. Crafted from durable, high-strength materials, they are built to last and provide maximum grip. The easy-to-install design ensures you won't waste time in the cold, and once they're on, you'll feel the difference as you navigate through snow and ice with greater stability and control. Whether you're facing a snowy mountain pass or driving in a winter storm, snow chains are an essential tool for every vehicle owner. Don't let winter weather stop you. Equip your car with snow chains and drive confidently no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Thanks for tuning in, car enthusiasts. We hope these 20 must-have car gadgets have given you some fresh ideas to upgrade your driving experience. Whether it's improving safety, enhancing comfort, or making your vehicle look and feel brand new. These gadgets are designed to make every trip smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. From tackling icy roads and keeping your car spotless to staying fully prepared for any emergency, these products have you covered. If you found something you love, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more awesome car tips, reviews, and recommendations. We're here to help you make the most of every drive. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.